how to remove credit card or debit card from the TikTok account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you remove credit card or debit card from your TikTok account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application TikTok with your account. Alright, so after you open the TikTok, you'll got such interface. So from your, you'll have to just tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Alright, so from the profile section, you'll have to just tap on the three line just at the top right corner. Okay, so simply from here tap on balance, and now from this balance section you can easily find your all of your balance that you have been received on your TikTok account. So right now I have the zero balance. So from here you'll have to just go with the options like your transaction method, like it will appear at the top right corner. So simply you have to go with that option, and from here you'll have to just select the payment method or select a currency. So after select the currency, you'll be able to find the options like withdraw. So by tapping on that withdraw option, you'll be able to easily add or remove credit card from your TikTok account. So after you choose the payment method, you'll have to just go with the option delete. So it will easily appear at the bottom of your screen. So after you select the credit card or debit card, you'll be easily find that option, and after you tap on that delete option, you'll be able to delete or remove that credit card or debit card from your TikTok account. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.